I'm Jago Paul, and this is my site for teaching Kundalini Yoga and meditation. I've created this site because I love the teachings of Kundalini Yoga and meditation. I'm very passionate about them. Ever since I discovered yoga in 2003 and took my first training in 2005, I've been very passionate about learning more and more about the teachings of Kundalini Yoga. I've had the great good fortune to meet a teacher who is absolutely excellent and was has been able to guide me. And despite my thick-headedness and all my attempts to the contrary, but I've been exploring these teachings very passionately for uh, since like 2005, 2006, when I took that first training. And it's my hope with this platform that I can transmit to you um, what I've learned and my passion for these teachings because they really, really are amazing. You may already have had an experience with Kundalini Yoga, or maybe you're just coming here for the first time. But Kundalini Yoga to me, it's like the it's like the human owner's manual for this mind body computer system that interfaces with infinity. And in my experience and all my years on the planet, I never came across anything that has worked so well to help me to regulate my energy and the mind and how I project and how I interact in the world. It's really absolutely amazing to me, these teachings. And so I hope that you'll join me on this adventure a little bit and check out some of the classes on the site. If you're new here, if you're new to Kundalini Yoga, especially, there's a class I've created called Elevate 10, and it's a very well rounded class where I go into the different aspects of that particular Kriya, but also the different things about a Kundalini Yoga class and some of the components that make it up. So if you're new, you should definitely check it out. If you're new to me, you should definitely check it out. And if you've done Kundalini Yoga before, you might want to check it out because some of the things in there might surprise you, especially the energy that you could get from it. If you'd like to take that class, just click on the link below. It's called Elevate 10, and you can get started today very easily. Thanks for stopping by. I hope that you will enjoy the Kundalini Yoga teachings as much as I do. And Satnam.